Good day, faith friends. I am Teacher Love and I will be your gospel sharer for today. Our gospel for today is from the book of John, chapter 4, verses 43 to 54. How deep is your faith in Jesus? Is your faith limited to what you can perceive and see? Or your faith is not bounded by what you can perceive and see? Sometimes, it's hard to have faith if we don't see something concrete that would reinforce our faith. But faith that is dependent on what we can see is shallow. Deep faith is something that we hold in our hearts even without visible manifestation. The royal official in our gospel has this deep faith. He believed what Jesus told him even without any visible manifestation. He simply believed in the words of Jesus. When Jesus told him to go back home for his sick son will live, he left without asking any question. He held close to his heart the very words of Jesus that his son would live. And upon arriving home, his son was indeed healed, the very same time that Jesus uttered the miraculous words to him. There will come a time that our faith in Jesus will be tested. Say, for example, a severe sickness. What are you going to do when you reach this point of no return? What are you going to do if, for example, the doctor would tell us that we only have a few months to live? We must hold on tightly to our faith in Jesus and never give up no matter what our present circumstances are. This is for the reason that any trials or problems that we may face, our faith in Jesus is far stronger than any sickness that could kill our bodies but not diminish our rock-solid faith in Jesus. Kaya naman mga ka-faith friends, kahit marami tayong pagsubok sa ating buhay, tayo ay manalangin at manalig sa Poong May Kapal. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share our YouTube channel or download our app www.faithbook.ph. Thank you and have a nice day. Always remember, God first.